OpenClaw is blowing up right now. Everyone is talking about this new open source AI assistant, but most people still don't know how to actually install it or how to run it 24/7. And the truth is, it looks complicated, but it really isn't. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way on the internet to install OpenClaw on a VPS using Hostinger without touching the terminal, and get it running from your phone in just a few minutes. Important warning. Before you try installing OpenClaw anywhere, there's something you must know. I do not recommend installing OpenClaw on your personal computer. OpenClaw requires deep system permissions to work properly, meaning it can execute commands, access files, and perform background tasks. This isn't a virus or something suspicious. It's simply how this type of assistant works. But running it on your personal device is not the safest option. That's why in this video, we'll install it on a Hostinger VPS, which is much safer, runs 24/7, doesn't affect your personal computer, and is the perfect environment for OpenClaw. OpenClaw is an open-source AI agent that can respond to you, execute tasks, automate workflows, and stay online 24/7. Basically, a digital assistant that never sleeps. By the way, if you come across names like Clawdbot or Moltbot, don't get confused. They're earlier versions of the same project. The official and final name is now OpenClaw. Now let's start the actual setup. For accuracy, make sure you open the official Hostinger OpenClaw page using the link in the description. It takes you straight to the correct setup screen without any confusion. Once you open the page, you'll see the VPS plan options. You can choose KVM1, KVM2, or higher plans. The difference is simple. Each plan gives you more power, mainly more RAM and more NVMe storage. For this tutorial, I'm choosing KVM2 because it comes with 8 GB of RAM and 100 GB NVMe storage, which is perfect for running OpenClaw smoothly. But feel free to choose the plan that fits your needs. Now, click Deploy. Now we're inside the cart page. The first thing you'll notice is the period option. The longer the period, the lower the monthly price. Since I'll be using this VPS long-term, and I don't like renewing every month, I'm selecting 24 months. But you can choose any duration that works for you. And as you can see, the price updates as you switch between the options. Scroll down a little. You'll find Auto Deploy OpenClaw, and this is enabled by default. Below it, there's Daily Auto Backup. I don't need this feature for my setup, so I'll leave it turned off. Finally, choose your server location. Always pick the one closest to you for the best speed. For me, I'm choosing United States. Now here, before we continue, you'll need to enter the coupon code. I'll leave the coupon code for you in the description, and it only works if you open Hostinger through the link in the description. So once you reach this page through that link, simply type the coupon Profit Studio, then click Apply, and you'll immediately get a 10% discount. After the code is applied and the price updates, everything is ready. Now click Continue to go to the payment page. Once the payment is completed, you'll see this screen saying, "Your payment's done, let's go." Click Get Started. Now we're on the OpenClaw configuration page. The first thing you need to do is copy your OpenClaw gateway token. Make sure to save it somewhere safe. We'll need it in the next steps, and it's private, so don't share it with anyone. Next, we have two optional fields, Anthropic API key and OpenAI API key. You can choose any provider you want. For this tutorial, I'll use OpenAI. And to get your OpenAI API key, the steps are very simple. Just go to Google and type OpenAI API. Open the official OpenAI website, log into your account, and then go to the API keys section. Here, click Create New Secret Key. Give it any name. I'm naming mine OpenClaw, and click Create Secret Key. Now copy your key, return to the OpenClaw setup page, and paste it here in the OpenAI API key field. Once everything is filled, click Deploy to continue. Hostinger will show you a short VPS survey. This part doesn't affect anything in the setup, so I'll just select any options quickly and continue. Once the survey is done, you'll see a link with numbers. Click it. This will open the OpenClaw dashboard, which means the installation finished successfully and your server is already running. Inside the dashboard, you'll notice the status at the top says Disconnected, and that's completely normal. Now we're going to connect it. Go to Overview, and under Gateway Access, you'll find a field for the gateway token. Paste the token we copied earlier right into this field. After pasting the token, click Connect. And now, as you can see, the status changes from disconnected to connected, which means OpenClaw is now fully linked to your VPS and ready to use. The next step is to set up the configuration file. This file tells OpenClaw how to connect to your server, which AI model to use, and how to link your Telegram bot. So I'll go to Config, switch to Raw, and paste the full JSON file I prepared for you. You'll find this exact JSON inside the guide linked in the description, so you don't have to write any code yourself. At the top of the file, you'll see two places where it says, "Insert your token here." These are the gateway tokens. I'll replace both of them with the gateway token we copied earlier. Then, if you scroll down a little, you'll see the AI model configuration. You can choose any model you want. If you check ChatGPT, the latest version right now is GPT 5.2. Higher models give better results, but they use a bit more tokens, and tokens are still very cheap. So I'm updating this to GPT 5.2. After scrolling down inside the JSON, you'll find a section called Channels, and inside it, there is the Telegram settings. Here we need two things: your Telegram bot token, your Telegram user ID. Let me show you exactly how to get both. To get your bot token, open Telegram and search for BotFather. It's the official Telegram bot used to create new bots. Start the chat, then type /newbot. BotFather will ask you for a name for your bot. I'll choose Profit Studio. A username for your bot. It must end with bot. For example, Profit Studio bot. If the username is available, BotFather will instantly create your bot and give you the bot token. This is the token you need. Copy it, then go back to OpenClaw and paste it into the field that says bot token. Put your bot token here. Next, we need your Telegram ID because OpenClaw must know who is allowed to use the bot. Open Telegram again and search for a bot named UserInfoBot. Start the chat and the bot will show you your user ID immediately. Copy that number, go back to OpenClaw and paste it here. Allow from, put your Telegram ID here. Just click Save, then Apply, and all your settings will be fully configured. I go to the Channels section to make sure Telegram is working correctly. Here you can see that the Telegram channel is configured and running. Everything looks good. OpenClaw actually supports multiple messaging platforms like WhatsApp and iMessage, but for this tutorial, I'm focusing only on Telegram. Now I'll open my Telegram bot to test it. The first time I tried this, I got a message from OpenAI saying that my quota was exceeded. And that's normal, because my OpenAI account wasn't connected to a billing method yet. If you see this message, it simply means the bot is working, but the API key doesn't have billing enabled. So I went to my OpenAI account, added a payment method, and tried again. Now the bot replies immediately. And that's it! Your OpenClaw Telegram Assistant is now fully running. From here, it can generate ideas, summarize links, help you with research, send reminders, and automate literally anything you want, all from your VPS 24/7. If you found this setup helpful, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps the channel. And if you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss the next videos, where I'll show you real use cases and powerful automations you can copy for your own projects. And don't forget, the hosting your VPS link is in the description if you want to use the same setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.